BMW E90, 320i, 2011 to 2013 model diesel car. How to change diesel fuel filter, how to install diesel fuel filter, how to start engine by changing diesel filter. I will show you in this video. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and like the video, and click the share button to let your friends stay. Heartfelt greetings and congratulations from this channel. We must know how often to change BMW diesel oil filter. BMW E90 model diesel fuel filter should be replaced every 30,000 miles or every other year. The filter is located under the vehicle on the passenger side, mounted on the frame rail. The fuel system will need to be bleeding.
First, remove the lock to open the fuel filter wire socket and the pipe connection for the petrol exiting the filter. After removing the lock of the pipe connection, pull out the pipeline together with the socket. A dirty diesel fuel filter is the symptom poor engine performance. Gas mileage may decrease, difficulty starting, unusual sound, a bumpy ride at low speeds, rough idle. Unclip the petrol pipe from the fuel pump to the fuel filter with a screwdriver. Loosen the screw of the petrol hose pipe clip and pull the pipe out. Now to remove the diesel fuel filter, use a 13 mm spanner to unscrew the bracket and remove the filter. This is the new diesel fuel filter that I will be installing now. This is the old diesel fuel filter that I just removed. Fit this O-ring well on this side of the fuel filter. Take care not to damage the O-ring while installing. Now I will install this new fuel filter. Before installing the bracket of the diesel fuel filter, first put the lock on the socket along the side of the fuel filter to install it. Connect the wire socket and pipe to the filter. Then there will be no problem with the filter's O-ring and socket. After attaching its socket to the fuel filter, hold it in this way and lock it with the lock pin. After installing the pipe, I tighten the clip with a screwdriver as much as possible so that the fuel does not leak. After installing the pipe and socket on both sides of the fuel filter, now connect the filter to the car body with a 13 mm screw. After installing the diesel fuel filter everything, now I will get inside the car to start the engine. Put the remote key inside the ignition switch and turn the ignition switch to the on position. I will put the ignition switch on position by clicking the push start button. Clear the engine code with the ISCAN computer by turning the ignition switch to the on position. The cause of the engine code is to change the fuel filter. Engine codes cleared, now no more fault codes. How to start the engine after changing the fuel filter. To start the engine, first press the brake pedal and click the start button. See if you click the push button to start, see if the engine does not start, there is no problem. The first time does not start. If you try to start the second time, see that the engine does not start. The first time does not start. The second time does not start. After trying to start for the third time, see that the engine starts without any problems. After changing the fuel filter, the engine started, there is no problem. If you have any problem understanding something after watching the video, please comment. Thank you for watching the video.